There he is. Cole Gasell.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you are.
We're just sitting here goofing around.
Goofing around, and what's this?
Goofing around.
It's Prentice Hospital, ladies and gentlemen.
It's 4:30 on
the old day.
on Halloween Eve.
Are
Halloween
you
night.
thinking about you went up to your mom's
A
room?
guest visitor.
It's the uncle.
Uncle Bob. Here we are.
She did it. She did it, a perfect delivery. I didn't want to see him coming out, but it was great.
And Gary did the perfect sitting behind him.
It was great. We talked,
And we talked.
and we watched how we got here. The bag of water broke about 2. We got here at 3. We sat around and watched religious programming
For inspiration.
for inspiration, and the birth was at 9:15.
And the Bears debacle started around noon.
But I didn't even care.
Yeah, you didn't tell me about McMahon. I watched that
I
on the
didn't
news last
even
night.
care. I don't even
Believe it.
care. When a baby's born, we don't care about McMahon.
Which?
Okay, goodbye, Cole. I'll see you in a couple of days. This is 1 day old. Cole born 9:15 yesterday. Doesn't have much to say, but he's relaxing. Here's another view. Baby Cole. Maybe that's his weak side. 2. Darcy, what do you think? What do you think of your baby brother? What do you think? You think he's pretty handsome? He's kind of crazy. Touch him, Darce.
I don't think it looks like Darcy. I'm trying to remember.
Oh, he's trying to open his eyes. Oh, is he?
All they do is sleep.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Pam, thanks for dropping by.
He's handsome. He's
Deb, look from you.
the new
What do you
nephew.
think?
The first boy in the family carrying on the Gasell tradition, carrying on that name. You're gonna have to teach him to lie on the floor.
That's right.
Huh?
Where are you gonna go?
Oh, I gotta get back.
What are you doing? Cole, what are you doing? Deb, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What do you think? You think he'll keep him?
Yeah.
Can I come up with you, Mommy?
Sure, come on up.
Can I come
Oh, Darcy's coming up. Hey, Darcy, what do you think of your little brother?
I love him.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Are you gonna be his playmate?
You can't wait till he comes home?
No. Yeah, that's a long time for you.
Hey, Cole. How are you? How you doing, Cole? You're a week and 3 days old today. A week and 3 days old. How are you? Huh? Hey. How you doing? Huh? Oh, was that a sneeze? No. Oh, hey you. Oh, boy. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, little buddy. Say we'll see you. Say goodbye, little buddy. Huh? Probably distorting your face because we're in so close. Say goodbye, little buddy. Say goodbye to your papa. Oh, you're looking good. Oh, you're looking good. My God, he knows sign language. I know you heard it. Oh, you must be hungry, no? Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Cole Gassell singing a medley.
And accompanying him on the piano, Darcy Gassell.
I see.
They could be like the Carpenters. Look at that. That's very funny.
Cole and Darcy. Oh. You start it, Darce. You start playing, and then Cole come in and sing. It had to be you, nobody but you. Cole romancing the microphone.
Nice playing.
Karen and Richard Carpenter, ladies and gentlemen. What, Darce?
That's
Look at
right.
me.
Just think.
What? No, you play the piano. He'll sing. Both of you sing or something.
He can't sing.
Oh. Hey, Darce.
What?
Look. You're pretty good on that piano. Say thanks, everybody. Bye.